Hello, dear student. My name is Elena Yurievna, and I am your teacher for today. We will work together during the lesson. And please, if you see this sign, the feather, stop the video and do the task in writing. Then start the video again. I think our today's topic is very interesting. It is tropical rainforest. Let us learn more about tropical rainforest. First of all, please try to answer the following questions. You will have 20 seconds to answer each question. This is the first question. What are tropical rainforests? This is the second question. Why are they important? This is the third question. What grows there? The fourth question. Why are they in danger? The fifth and the last question. What can we do to save them? Can you answer all the questions? Do you really know the answers, or do you need more information to answer the questions? Now please look at the table, copy it in your exercise book, and check if you know the answer to the question in the second column. After that, we are going to learn a little, and you will find the answers to all the questions. Now we come to real work. You can see a paragraph and 3 maps. Please read the paragraph attentively and choose the map on which you can see where rainforests are. Now please stop and do the task. Now please stop to check your answer. Of course, it is map number 2. If your answer is correct, you can get 10 points. Please write them down. Если ты выполнил задание правильно, пожалуйста, начисли себе 10 баллов. Запиши это. There is one more question to this paragraph. Please read it again and match layers of the rainforest with their names. When you are answering, please write down the number of the layer and its name after the number. Now please stop the film and do the task. Now you can see the correct answer. Please check yourself. Stop the film and write down how many right answers you've got. If your answers are correct, you can get 10 points. Please write them down. Если твой ответ правильный, ты получаешь 10 баллов. Запиши, пожалуйста. Let's continue our work. Read the next paragraph and write out what rainforests do. Now please stop the film, do the task, and then you will check yourself. Please check yourself. You can see the correct answer. Number 1. The forests clean air and produce oxygen. And the second is they provide a home to animals and plants. If you have answered correctly, you get 10 points. Если твой ответ правильный, ты получаешь 10 баллов. Пожалуйста, запиши это. Let's go on working. Read the following paragraph and write out the numbers of the pictures that represent plants which are not mentioned in the text. Please pay attention to the word not. Now please stop the film and do the task in writing. Please check yourself. Now you can see the answer. There are 2 pictures which are extra. Number 1, because it shows an orange tree, and orange trees don't grow in the tropical rainforest. And number 5, it is an orchid. It does grow in the tropical rainforest, but the text does not speak about orchids at all. If your answers are correct, you get 10 points. Если твои ответы правильные, ты получаешь 10 баллов. Не забудь записать это. Let's go on reading the text. You will read the following paragraph and write out 3 ways to lessen deforestation, or how we can stop people from cutting down the forest. Now please stop the film and do the task. Now you can check yourself. There are 3 ways to stop deforestation. The first is to join an organization which tries to save the rainforests, like Greenpeace. The second is to write letters to politicians and stimulate them stop this practice. And the third is not to buy furniture which is made from rainforest wood. If your answers are correct, please get 10 points. Если твои ответы правильные, запиши себе еще 10 баллов. You have read 5 paragraphs. Now, please read them as the whole text and match paragraphs and titles. You can see the titles in the center of the picture. They are numbered as A, B, C, D, and E. Each paragraph has a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you are writing, please write down the number of the paragraph and the letter of the title. Now please stop the film and do the task. Now please check your answers. If your answers are right, you get 10 points. Если твои ответы правильные, ты получаешь еще 10 баллов. Пожалуйста, запиши это. А сейчас, пожалуйста, сосчитай свои баллы и по приведенной таблице посмотри, какую отметку ты бы получила, если работал бы сегодня на уроке. Now, let's return to our table. Let us work further with the table. Please mark if you now know the answers to the questions in the third column I have learned. Now stop the film and do it. I hope now you know much more about the tropical rainforest. Let us check it. You will try to answer more questions. You will hear a question, then you will have 10 seconds to answer it, and then you will hear the correct answer. Question 1. Where do tropical rainforests grow? They grow in the hot, wet, humid places near the equator. Question 2. How do tropical rainforests renew the Earth's air supply? They absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Question 3. Why are tropical rainforests important to wildlife? They provide home to thousands of animal and plant species. Question 4. Can you name 2 medicines that come from trees? They are quinine and aspirin. Question 5. Can you name ways in which we can protect the rainforests? The text names 3 ways. Firstly, we can join an organization which tries to save the rainforest. Secondly, we can write letters to politicians. And thirdly, we can stop buying furniture which is produced from rainforest wood. Следующее задание только для тех, кто собирается сдавать ЕГЭ по английскому языку. Если ты не собираешься его сдавать, пропусти его. If you are going to take the Russian national exam, this is the task for you. Please stop the film and complete the task. Read the task very carefully. Now please stop to check yourself. If you need, please consult a dictionary to understand the words better. If you are a creative person, you may like this task. Please try and write an acrostic, as it is in the example, using one of the words concerning the tropical rainforests. Now please stop and write if you want to do it. If you like intellectual games and want to try your knowledge and intelligence, please answer the following 5 questions. The first question is, you can't find rainforests only on one continent. What is the continent? On what continent is the most famous rainforest area situated? Now, a more difficult question. Tropical rainforests have been called the world's largest pharmacy because a lot of natural medicines have been discovered there. Which part of the diagram shows this part, 25% or 75%? Look at the picture. You can see 3 bears. What bear can't you meet in the Great Bear Rainforest? And the last question. Look at the picture again. You can see 4 photos. Which of the photos shows something that has the same name as a layer of the tropical rainforest? It's okay if you can't answer the questions right away. They're difficult. Do you want to know the answers? Then try to find them on the internet. It was great working with you. Thank you for your work. Goodbye.